I'm going to film a short little segment on how to travel with the drone. I don't have the drone with me right now because Royal Caribbean's confiscated it until we actually leave the cruise. But when you're flying on a plane, the actual FAA travel requirements define that the batteries need to be protected. This usually just means buying a LiPo-safe insulated pack like this to put your batteries in. This is my DJI Mavic battery in here. And these seal up and prevent contact from other metal pieces in your luggage, and if the battery was able to catch on fire, this would contain it pretty well so it didn't spread. I also like to tape up these terminals on the backs of the batteries with the black electrical tape. That's just an extra added precaution, and a lot of airlines aren't familiar with the drone rules and regulations, so I specifically print off the rules for the specific airline. This one is JetBlue, which we're flying back on, as well as the FAA requirements. This is the common question and answers, and then this is actually the rules from the FAA on LiPo batteries. There's no regulations on drone themselves. A tip for when you're actually going through security is to remove all these batteries, your remote, the drone, any electronics that you have on your carry-on. Remove them right away and just put them in a bin. I also have the Karma Grip that all that gets removed, the GoPro, and everything just goes through separately, and security can see everything that was in that carry-on very clearly in that way, and I've never had any questions asked or deeper look into my luggage because everything has been separated out. You cannot have these LiPo batteries underneath the airplane, so they have to go in your checked luggage. If anybody has any other tips and tricks, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.